Hey, it's Matt here from Trout Tales. We're up here today at 28 Gates to introduce our new Learn to Fly Fish workshops upcoming this season. So the fly fishing segments of the day are going to be held by our experienced guides at Trout Tales, and they're going to cover everything from learning how to cast, fly selection and different fly fishing techniques that we use here in Tasmania.
Hi, I'm Susie. I own 28 Gates and part of our experience is our fishery here, and we have 3 different types of trout: brown, rainbow and tiger trout, and excited to be a part of this workshop with Matt. As part of your experience, we've got this new hut that we have just recently built. When you're having a break from your fishing, you can come in and sit by the fire. Key highlight of the day is the slow cooked lamb rolls, with the meat coming from our sheep on the farm, and having homemade biscuits and a cuppa, which will complement the fishing for the day.
So if you've never tried fly fishing before, or you're early in your fly fishing journey, the upcoming Learn to Fly Fish workshops here at 28 Gates is the perfect way to learn some new tips and tricks to take forward in your fly fishing career.